What's up there, YouTube? So how's everything going here? So it's right around Christmas time, and if you're like many of the other people, you're a last minute shopper, just like myself. You guys must be struggling like I am with finding Christmas gifts for a special someone. Something to buy your significant other, girlfriend, or even your family. So I don't know if you guys come up with any ideas. You can probably post some in the comments and let me know what you spent money on, what you bought for family. Maybe you can give me some ideas. So I gotta say, this year was a late year for me to get started. I'm usually done most of my Christmas shopping by Black Friday, and this year I just started literally like a day ago. So it's gonna be a close one. I gotta run out and get some boxes and some wrapping paper and some cards and see how it goes from there. So I'm getting tired of the mall. I haven't really been much of a mall shopper in probably 10 years. So I do a lot of my shopping, pretty much 80-90% of it on Amazon, just like the rest of you. As you can see their market shares and their price. You can see they're doing really well. Looks like that's where all the money goes in American households these days. A lot of those home stores like Sears and Kmart and some of the other stores are not doing so hot because Amazon taking all the business. So I literally got to get myself moving and head out and do some shopping. Maybe I'll take a look at some of the scenery and some of the Christmas lights locally and take you guys along with me. Head down and hop in my truck. I'm gonna go take a ride and take a look at some of the Christmas lights that are out for the season before we head out to do some Christmas shopping. Been some talk in the neighborhood about this house that was controlled by music operated light action, so I decided to take a ride up there and take a look. You had to tune your car radio into like 90.7. Headed over into Barica Center, Barica, Massachusetts, and the little common they have set up. It was all decorated, all lights in the tree and bows and ribbons. It was very nice. Lit up the common really nice. This house is decorated pretty well. It's right off of Boston Road, basically on the north side of 3A, heading towards Lowell. Driving around downtown Lowell and after leaving Barica, and I found a couple more Christmas light displays. Stopped down downtown by the old brewery, check out the big Christmas tree, and I headed over to City Hall to look at the manger and a couple of other displays they had set up along with the lights on the City Hall building and the police station. And I'll make my way over to the mall and do some Christmas shopping at the Pheasant Lane Mall. So this looks like the Buddha that's set up in the City Hall Plaza, and here's the manger, which looks like the lights are not on, so it's not lit up. A little dark for the video, sorry about that. I ended up building up some courage, and I decided to take a trip to the mall and dealing with the mall traffic and the crowd, which is not so much fun, especially in this time of year. So basically go there and get my bare necessities or what I need. Mostly those gifts that you really have to look at before you buy. It's not something you can just purchase. You gotta kind of see if it fits like your gift idea or not. So
get to the mall and check out the stuff, and decided to do the bulk of my purchasing online. So gotta say, there's nothing easier than to be able to pick out items that you know that you want. You already researched and stuff. There's nothing better than Amazon Prime. You come home and your packages are waiting for you.
Gotta say, it wasn't a bad night out there. Got some wrapping paper, got some of my shopping taken care of. Got some Amazon packages that arrived.
I gotta say, what I'm gonna say right here is kind of comical. I really enjoy the wrapping of the gifts, much more than shopping in the mall and going to the stores for them. I'm sure a bunch of you could probably disagree with me on that one. While I was wrapping all these gifts, I was pondering over the thought of possibly trimming my beard and getting rid of it for the holidays so I could look nice and clean shaven.
So, guys, I'm just sitting here wrapping my gifts, having a nice drink tonight, having a few cocktails, and getting ready for Christmas. I'm actually on vacation for the next 12 days, so just gonna relax here and have some fun. Enjoy my time off with my family. Hope you guys are all doing the same thing, because there's nothing more important than family. Excited too for the holidays. He wants to see Mom too. So,
gonna let the wrapping commence, and I just want to say have a Merry Christmas to all my YouTube followers, and have a special remembrance for those soldiers that are overseas that can't be with their families during these holidays. I just want to thank you guys for watching my channel. If you like my videos, please click like. If you want to see more of this content, please subscribe. Some of us are hoping for a white Christmas this year, so here's our version of the White Christmas, for your eyes only. Thanks again, fellas and ladies. See you again soon.